Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Learning. In today's video, I am going to show you how to easily autofill dates in Excel. If you are tired of typing out each date one by one, this tip is going to save you tons of time. We'll dive into the series dialog box, a hidden gem in Excel for controlling how dates are filled. Let's jump right in. Excel's autofill feature allows you to quickly fill in dates. You start by entering the first date and Excel will fill in the rest for you. So let's see how this works. I will start by typing 1-10-2024 in cell C1. Now here's where the magic happens. Once you have entered your first date, grab the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell and drag it down. Excel automatically fills in the dates for you. You can see that Excel fills consecutive days without any extra steps, but let's see how we can do more with it. But what if you want more control over how the dates are filled, like skipping certain days or changing the pattern? That's where the series dialog box comes in. Let me show you how to access and use it. First, type your starting date in cell C1 again. This time, instead of dragging the handle, select series from the field. Or you can press Alt plus HFIS from your keyboard. This brings up the series dialog box. Let's break down each option you see here. Here's series in. This section lets you choose if you want to fill dates across rows or columns. By default, we are working in columns, so we'll leave that selected. In the type, there are several options here. If you choose linear, this fills the date in a regular sequence, like one day at a time or 1 month at a time. Growth is used mostly for numbers, multiplying the previous numbers, not usually relevant for dates. When it comes to date, this is where we will focus. Select date if you want to work specifically with dates. In the date unit, here you can choose how the dates are incremented. If you select day, Excel will fill in every day. If you select weekday, Excel will skip weekends, perfect for work schedules. If you select month, Excel will fill in the same day of each month. If you select year, Excel fills the same date for each year. This gives you more control over how the sequence is structured. Now we are in the step value. This option lets you control how many days, months or years are added between each entry. So if I type 2 here under step value, Excel will skip every second day. Finally, the stop value tells Excel where to stop filling dates. For example, if you want the dates to stop at December 31, 2024, just enter that here. Let's say I want to fill in weekdays only, skipping weekends, and I want this to continue until December 31, 2024. I will select weekday, set my step value to 1, and enter 31 December 2024 as my stop value. Click OK, and Excel fills in the dates exactly as specified. And that's how you can use Excel's autofill feature and the powerful series dialog box to take complete control of how your dates are filled in. Whether you need daily sequence, just weekdays or something custom, this tool makes it super easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to Easy Learning for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thank you.